Alright, hey, what's up guys? It's Fusion or Josh and welcome back to another video. So guys, today I have for you another fire Photoshop pack, and like always guys, it's absolutely free. If you guys would like to support me and have me keep releasing awesome free Photoshop packs, head over to FUZIONHERE.com and either buy a custom logo, a custom banner, or come down here and check out my merch. And if anything else guys, just drop a like and subscribe, and let's hop into the pack. Alright guys, welcome to the Call of Duty Modern Warfare thumbnail pack. So guys, I decided I've been doing way too many Fortnite packs and generic packs. Let's hop into some different games. So guys, actually quickly in the top right, I have a poll for the next Photoshop pack. Do you guys want a Rainbow Six Siege pack, a Minecraft pack, or do you want an Overwatch pack? I want you guys to vote up there, pick Rainbow Six Siege, Minecraft, or Overwatch. Whichever wins, I will be making a pack on first. So guys, as you can see, when we hop into the pack here, the only two things we have is pack and more packs here. When you hide the pack layer, you can see, check out FUZIONHERE.com/shop for more high quality graphic packs, and let's open up our pack folder. Inside our pack folder, we just have our basic welcome image. I really like this one, it looks very clean, and let's hide it. So as soon as you hide it, you can see the first thing we have here is color correction. We've had color correction for a while now, and all it is it pretty much just applies small little enhancements to the image. Now you don't want to apply every single one of them. A good thing to do is test out a background you see and just apply a few of them on and adjust and play around with different ones until you get your image looking how you want it. Next up we have borders. The borders this time around are very clean guys. We have a nice white border to give that nice aspect to it. We have that rainbow border that you of course need in all of your clickbait thumbnails. We have that clear border that adds that really cool dynamic effect to your thumbnails. And just so you guys know, it's not actually dark like this, it's clear, so literally you can see even with this one, it just takes the darkness and makes it a little bit cooler. Next we have the right divider, the middle divider, the left divider, and the spikes. Moving on from borders, we have logos. So this time around, because this is a Call of Duty pack, I gave you guys a ton of Call of Duty logos. So we have Call of Duty, we have Modern Warfare, MW3, MW2, MW1, we have Black Ops 1, Black Ops 2, and Black Ops 3, and Black Ops 4, and lastly I have World War II in here. So you guys have a ton of different Call of Duty logos in here. If you're making a video on any single one of these, it's as simple as coming in here and choosing your logo. Next up we have sponsor logos. This could be good if you're a bigger YouTuber with sponsors or a company that has Call of Duty type sponsors. We just have the basic PayPal, Netflix, Red Bull, Keurig. You get the gist of it. Next we have social media logos. YouTube, Twitch, Mixer, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Discord. Very nice little logos to apply to your banners or thumbnails, outros, or anything else you can think of. Moving on from logos, we have text. Here, all we have is 4 different texts that I think fit Call of Duty thumbnails best. When you guys look at my Call of Duty videos, you can see that I use Beavis and He's Dead Jim a lot. But American Captain and Call of Ops Duty are also very good text layers. It's up to you guys what you want to use, but here's some suggestions. If we hide the text, you can also see that I include text effects. I give you guys 3 different little text effects that you can copy, the layer style right here, and then paste it on your own text, like so. Moving on from text, we have objects. First thing we have in here is emojis. Of course, you gotta have some emojis to spice up your thumbnails. You can use these in a million different ways, and really they go with any type of thumbnail. Next we have guns. This is just some first person guns. I thought that this could be useful for some thumbnails. We have the ballista, we have the XPR, the RPG, the ray gun, intervention, FAL, and M4A4. Are you guys enjoying the pack so far? If you are, I'd really appreciate if you dropped a like and subscribed. It would help me a lot. And jumping on to characters, guys, the first character we have in here is John Price, also known as Captain Price, looking snazzy over there. If you do want to not have his legs cut off, you can just Control T and drag so it does not show. I just leave the character fully exposed so you can see how big he is. Next we have Alex. Pretty cool guy here, has the same fading effect. Next we have Crash. We're going into some Black Ops 4 characters, and then we have Ruin. And that's it for our characters. Moving on from characters, we have the accept button. So this is actually from one of my Fortnite packs. I thought that it would work well in here too. If you want to make some sort of thumbnail, you know, you want to throw in a little bit of Photoshop to it and make it look like there's an accept button, you can do that with this. And lastly, in objects, we have mice and controllers. In here, we just have a mouse pointer, a mouse hand, a mouse, a keyboard, an Xbox 360 controller, PS3 controller, Xbox One controller, and PS4 controller. This can be very good for some thumbnails, showing how to use certain buttons, showing how to use certain setups. You guys get the gist. Moving on from objects, we have arrows and circles. In here, we have a ton of different options. We have 10 different arrows you can see right here for all sorts of different thumbnails. We have 5 different circles you can use, and we have 3 different boxes. Moving on from arrows and circles, we have lighting. Now, lighting is very good to use with a nice background. So again, let's choose a nice HD background like this one. And you can see we can apply a rainbow overlay, a blue overlay, a green overlay, ooh, I really like that, and an orange overlay. We also have light spots, which this is just like some little light spots that you could put on your thumbnail, and you can't really see it that much, but it really lightens up the thumbnail and brings out something that you didn't know you could do. Next, we have a light for the top, dark sides, and dark top and bottom. If you're trying to get all dark and spooky in your thumbnail, this can help with that. Next, we have fog effect. Fog, I mean, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. There's a lot in this image already. If you want some more fog, here you go. And lastly, we have blotchy effect. I think this is really cool. It almost makes it look like a painting. You can do a lot with this. And moving on to our last folder in the pack, guys, we have backgrounds. So we have 10 different HD Modern Warfare backgrounds here for you guys. Let's start with background 10 and go down to 1. Background 10, we have these two guys here looking pretty snazzy. 9, we have some soldiers in a desert or a beach, it appears. 8, some combat inside, alright. 7, we have some combat in the streets. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What backgrounds are your guys' favorites? I think 1 and 10 are my favorites. I mean, they just are like really high quality and really cool looking. Anyways, guys, that is it for the pack. If you guys enjoyed the pack, and if you're going to use this for yourself, make sure you let me know your thoughts down below and share the pack with your friends. I spend a lot of time on these packs, guys, and I'm going to be making a lot more for you guys because I know you love them. Anyways, guys, this is Fusion here. I hope your New Year's was great, and I hope you have a great 2020. I'll see you guys later. And guys, before you go, remember, God loves you. Go look up John 3:16 right now.